Hello children, it is a continuation of last video. Change in the volume or melting. During the melting, what is the changes? Whether it is increasing the volume or decreasing the volume. Generally, you know, most of the substances like lead, wax, etc. expand on melting. If heat is supplied to that one, it will be expand. Means volume is increasing. But some substances like ice contract on melting. It will contract, even though it can increase the temperature, it will contract with certain range. That is called as a anomalous expansion of the water. Let us take an example. 1 gram of solid wax of volume 1.161 centimeter cube on melting at 64 degrees centigrade becomes 1 gram molten wax, because of it is a liquid state of wax of volume 1.166 centimeter cube. Same 1 gram of the solid is 1.161 centimeter cube. If you increase the temperature 64 degrees centigrade, at that temperature the volume is 1.166 centimeter cube. So volume is increased in wax. On the other hand, if you take the 1 gram of ice of volume 1.091 centimeter cube, the 1 gram of ice solid state is 1.091 centimeter cube at 0 degree centigrade. On melting, means heat is supplied to that one. 1 gram of water of volume 1 centimeter cube at 0 degree centigrade of liquid. Whether it is in the liquid state, it becomes value is decreasing. So, in the case of the wax, it will be increasing the volume, but in the case of the ice, it will be decreasing the volume. Next, effect of pressure on the melting point. Whether increase the pressure or decrease the pressure, what is the effect on melting point? The melting point of the substance which contract on the melting, like ice. In the case of the ice, it will be contract, decreases by the increasing pressure. If you increase the pressure, it will be decreased. Within short period of the time only, it will convert it into the liquid state from solid to liquid. Let us take an example. The melting point of ice decreased by 0.0072 degrees centigrade for every 1 atmospheric rise in pressure. If you increase the 1 atmospheric pressure, then for every 1 atmospheric pressure, the melting point of the corresponding solid is decreased by 0.0072 degrees centigrade. On the other hand, if we take the melting point of the substances such as wax, lead, because of the ice is a different behavior than that of the other substances like wax, next again the lead. In this case, which expand on the melting, these are all the expand. If you increase the temperature, the entire thing, it will be volume increases. It is increased in the increase in the pressure. If you increase the pressure, here also the melting point is increased, because of the here the volume is increasing, so that especially in the case of the wax and lead, melting point is increases by the increase in the pressure, but in the case of the ice, melting point of ice is decreased by the every rise in the atmospheric pressure. Next, the effect of impurities on the melting point. If you add the impurities, how the melting point is changing. The melting point of the substance decreased by the presence of impurities in it. Whatever impurities present in it, with the help of that one, the entire melting point is decreases. The melting point of the ice decreases from 0 degree centigrade to minus 22 degrees centigrade on mixing salt to it in proper proportion. In the specified proportion, if we add the salt, the originally water decreases the melting point from 0 degree centigrade to minus 22 degrees centigrade. This fact is utilized in making the freezing mixture by adding salt to ice. If you add the salt to the ice materials, so that the melting point is decreases from 0 degree centigrade to minus 22 degrees centigrade. And also it is useful for the freezing mixture is used in the preparing for kulfis. Kulfis generally how the melting point is decreases with increasing the and impurities is added to the corresponding substance, so that this is helpful for the making or preparing kulfis.